This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials, which operating system you're on and where you want the Google search bar to live. Once done, decide whether you want a browser-integrated bar or a persistent desktop widget because the steps diverge. Make sure Chrome is installed if you prefer an in-browser solution, otherwise install a lightweight widget app. Now open Settings and the browser. You're about to add a search interface quickly, so follow each small action carefully and don't skip up. You'll now install or enable the search UI. If you use Chrome, add a search extension or use the browser's built-in search box option. In Edge, enable the search box in toolbar settings. For a desktop widget, install a trusted widget app, grant permission, and drag the bar to your preferred spot. Once added, change the default search engine to Google and assign a hotkey if you want instant access. This step ensures consistency across launches and faster daily access. Finish by testing multiple searches and restarting your browser or computer to confirm persistence. Pin the search bar to the taskbar or lock its position in the widget settings so it won't move accidentally. If the bar disappears, make sure the extension is enabled, the widget has the necessary permissions, and the correct default engine is selected. If problems persist, reinstall the extension or widget and restart. One troubleshooting tip: disable conflicting search tools or ad blockers, then re-enable them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.